Okay, I got another stain right here in the driveway. This is transmission fluid, and I'm going to be using some of this grease lightning. I heard it's pretty good. I'm going to try to use it to try to get up this stain. Okay, this happens to be a 40-ounce bottle, and the directions tell me to just spray on and just rinse off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray it on here, let it set for 24 hours and rinse it off. Okay, here I go. It's in the off position. Turn it on. See if I can turn it right here. It says spray on. So we'll start spraying it on. So I'm just assuming that transmission fluid is harder to get up than engine oil. So try this, and that's the whole spot right there. I'm gonna let it set for a while and then come back in 24 hours and rinse it off and see what my results will be like. Okay, here are the end results after 2 days and 2 applications of using this product right here, Grease Lightning Super Strength right here. You can hardly tell that there was anything here. I have to admit, this is a pretty good product. I'm pretty impressed at what it's done. You can barely see impression right here. It got most of it up. Now this is transmission fluid. It's not engine oil. And I'm pretty impressed. So you can buy like a half a gallon of this stuff for like under $6. So not bad. It worked pretty good. So I would really recommend buying this if you decide to get any kind of oil or transmission or any other type of fluids up off your asphalt pavement. And I would just really highly recommend it.